Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PSP to mobile hotspot and share the Wi-Fi. So what we will need to do is basically take your mobile phone, then go to the mobile hotspot like this. So basically just swipe down and this menu should pop up. So click on the mobile hotspot, hold it, then go to the mobile hotspot as you can see like this and make sure to turn it on. After that, you'll see that you will have some options where you can just mobile hotspot, you can edit that. So make sure to see the password that you're using. As you can see like that, it should look like this. You'll see the password and the name, and you'll basically need to turn on this button. After that, what we'll need to do is take your PSP, turn it on with this button, and go to the settings, scroll down all the way until you see network settings, then find the network same as this one, and basically you will be able to connect it. You'll need to put a password and you'll be able to connect your PSP to Wi-Fi from your mobile hotspot. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.